Welcome to Play Hockey's latest innovation, Jaunt 2. Jaunt 2 manages all of your travel needs in one place, as well as offering our clients customized events, making it easier to organize their travels. In addition, Jaunt 2 offers at-home pickups and drop-offs, airport transfers, car rentals, tickets, and more. To begin using Play Hockey's booking dashboard, Jaunt 2, select the service that you require. To book flights, simply click Book Airline Tickets. Flight bookings are provided by our API partner, FlyS. Choose round trip, one way, or multi-city. Enter your departure airport, your arrival destination, your travel dates, the number of guests, and click Search. A list of available flights will be provided. A pop-up will appear asking you if you wish to be notified of a ticket price drop. Enter your email or phone number to receive this notification and click Submit or X to exit. Select your flight, enter your passenger information, first name, last name, date of birth is required. Enter your billing information and your card information. Agree to the price and click Continue and Book. Going back to your personal dashboard, transfers are provided by our API partner, Carry International. Carry International provides chauffeured services. Enter the participant name, select the service that you require, click on the Google Maps to enter your address, enter your flight information, enter the flight date, the flight time, the airline, the flight number, and the departing airport. This time will be auto-calculated. The minutes prior to your departing flight will default to 1:20. You can change this time, which will change it here, and click Search. A list of available vehicles will appear with baggage capacity and the number of passengers the vehicle can hold. A new screen will appear allowing you to book your vehicle. Click Book Now and it will take you to the next screen. Enter your contact information and your payment details. Click the Pay and Book Now. Go back to your personal dashboard. For attractions and tour tickets provided by our API partner, Tickets, click Tickets to search local activities. Enter the country and the city location and click Search. A list of available activities with a picture and a brief description will be displayed. Select the activity you would like tickets for. To learn more about the activity, simply click the Details button and a brief description and pictures will appear. To schedule an activity, click Add to Cart, enter the date and time you would like, enter the number of tickets that you need, and click Save to Shopping Cart. Then you can proceed to checkout. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Proceed. Enter your information, able to view your details. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Confirm and Proceed. Go back to your personal dashboard. For specialized event experiences that are built exclusively for Play Hockey, click the icon, select the item that you would like tickets for, enter the number of tickets you would like to purchase, and that's it. That's how easy it is to use Jaunt 2.